Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by checking power and app so shutdown is clean. If battery is low, plug in briefly, otherwise close unsaved apps. Next, locate the correct hardware control. On many Realme phones, it is the right side power button. Some models require holding power and volume down together. Press and hold for 1 to 2 seconds to trigger the power menu. This first step prevents accidental restarts and ensures you won't lose data. Once the menu appears, you're ready for the next actions. You now interact with the on-screen power menu to complete shutdown. Tap or swipe the power off option. On newer Realme UI versions, you may need to confirm by tapping a second time. Do that deliberately. If the normal menu fails to appear, hold power and volume down simultaneously for about 8 to 10 seconds to force a shutdown. This cuts power safely when the system is unresponsive. Make sure to wait until the display goes fully black before assuming the phone is off. You finish by verifying the phone is truly off. Wait until the display is completely black and LED indicators are off before letting go of buttons. If the device unexpectedly reboots, inspect for stuck buttons or pending system updates that force a restart. Disable auto restart in settings if needed. If the phone stays unresponsive or won't power off, place it on charge for 15 to 30 minutes and attempt the forced hold again. Troubleshooting this way prevents misdiagnosing a battery issue versus software hang.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.